Okay, so let's start by looking at some step 5 work with Bill and Shelley, and with Bill being the withdrawer.
So here we see Bill's negative view of self, his awareness of what he's doing, and his ability to connect his emotion to early experiences with his father, and how his experiences in relationship developed his identity construction as being a constant disappointment.
For example, where are you at? How are you feeling just in general? Just checking in with you. You spent a lot of time with Shelley today. I want to kind of check in with you.
Oh, I don't know how I'm feeling. I'm certainly feeling very inadequate.
I was going to say, this looks hard. You're feeling inadequate.
Yeah. I'd like to be that person for her. She's longed for all her life. And,
you're disappointing her.
oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I've been a disappointment for a long time. And
What's happening for you right now, Bill?
I guess I'm trying to get back into my head
I see
so
it
I
in
can
your
deal
eyes.
with it.
When you touch that disappointing her,
Well, it doesn't feel good. It doesn't feel good. Never has. This goes back to me disappointing my father, and it's
yeah, but
my
this
life
is
story.
But this is your wife.
Yep.
Yeah. And it's even bigger.
Oh, yeah.
That's such a hard place for you. You touch that disappointment.
It is.
And how you're letting her down.
It is. And I guess on some level I feel like I'll never measure up. I'll never meet those expectations.
Oh, that's awful.
Yeah, it is.
You'll never measure up.
So I have to either accept that and move on and do the best I can and just accept the fact that I'm never going to be that person. I mean, it doesn't mean that I wouldn't continue to try.
Do you ever talk to her about you disappointing her? And how that affects you?
I think we've talked about it before, but it's not something that I
That it doesn't feel good. It doesn't feel good for you at all. Is that right?
It doesn't feel good at all. It doesn't.
Can you turn to her right now and tell her as best as you can what you go through when you get the message that you're disappointing her?
Yeah. I feel like it doesn't matter what I've accomplished or what I've done in my life, that when you boil it down to its essence, I haven't achieved anything.